Well, that was easy enough.
Cabana Bay?
That's the one.
All right.
Oh, I'm shattered. Morning, people. So the holiday blues got us. We found a good deal last week. Booked it Wednesday. It's Tuesday today. We're on our way back to Manchester Airport to fly back out to Florida for a week. So another travel day video. Let's do it.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night.
Well, that was easy enough. So yeah, to the barrier, read the registration, opened automatic, drove all the way to the top. I think it was level D. Parked up where the staff member was standing, gave me a ticket, and then we're walking straight across into T2 now. Pretty simple, that. Cost me £100 to park the car for a week. Right, I think the chap outside said go to the left, but there's nothing there. Oh, hang on a minute. Right, so it's to the right when you come in. So I think I've just got to hand my key over to someone. So there's a meet and greet sign.
Oh yeah. Cheers, Paul. You checking in, sir?
Yes.
Sent you on the machines for us, please.
Right, we're through security. Sorry about that. So the car was really quite simple. Only took 2 minutes. I just you put your registration in, where you've parked the car, which bay, your flight time, your destination. That's pretty much it. Handed the key over. He gave me a slip, which tells me where to go when I come back. Security was a breeze as well. Albeit it is 6 o'clock in the morning. I'm not used to flying at this time in the morning. But yeah, because it's last minute, we're no Radisson Blue. Oddly, when we did the twilight check-in last night. When we got to the desk, they actually asked us to show them the printed Estes. I don't know if that's a TUI thing. But I've never been asked that in 20 odd years. I mean, I always have access to them, but I've never been asked that question before. Right, we've no lounge this morning either, so right, I need to go and get some grub. I'm starving. That certainly filled a gap. So we ended up with 3 breakfasts, a Diet Coke, a hot chocolate, a cheeky pint of IPA, and it came to £61.50.
TUI Flight TOM 102 to Melbourne.
Oh.
Which one did you want?
Gone tomorrow. This one's us, isn't it?
Yeah. Next, please keep going to the last. I'll go with you.
Alright, cheers, Ta. 34D. D. This one.
Very, very lucky boys.
Yes. Thank you. Hiya. What do you need? Name? Jake's.
Mr. Jakes, I saw you somewhere. J. Jakes?
That's me.
Cabana Bay?
That's the one.
All right, here you go.
Thank you.
Welcome letter. You're going to go down to the bus in Bay 2.
2.
This is 5, 4, 3, and then 2.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks very much.
Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray.
Oh, bloody hell. Wasn't too bad, was it? See how busy this lobby is. Oh, that's alright. No one here, hardly. Right, let's get checked in. You got it? Oh. Oh. Oh, I'm shattered. Yeah, you've got a view of
Trees.
the
Bamboo.
the roof of Volcano Bay. All in all, first time with TUI. I thought it was alright. None of us had any complaints really. Yeah, the plane was decent. We got off the plane at around about 10 to 3. The difference with Melbourne is that you get your bags before you go and do immigration. So that was a bit weird, but let's go down here. We ended up getting on the bus at about 5 to 4. Yeah, 5 to 4. So not too long. Just had to wait for people to get their cases and get on the bus, but the bus set off at 10 past 4. And then we got to Dockside, which was the first drop-off point at 5:30. So they made good time. We didn't hit any traffic, so that was good. The coach was decent, air-conditioned coach, couldn't complain. I'd definitely do it again if the price was right. We do prefer Virgin, but I think that's because we have the Virgin credit card and we get the perks of companion seats and using points for flights. So they ended up dropping at Dockside, Portofino, then us at Cabana, and then I think they finished at Aventura. So you don't exactly get on one coach and then they take you to all of the locations. They had 5 coaches waiting. Right, anyway, we're absolutely shattered, so I'm thinking it's going to be food and an early night, ready to visit one of the parks in the morning. I think we'll do Islands tomorrow. Right, so as always, thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.